up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. To my new babies, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And to my double MVPs, thank y'all for continuing to support this channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I decorated my guest bathroom. It's a quick, simple, and easy decoration video, and I didn't break the bank with this one. It was a very affordable and budget friendly decoration video, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that if you're interested. Everything that I got in the video came from IKEA, minus the picture frame on the wall and the towels. Y'all, before y'all try to go break the bank on decorations, make sure y'all check out IKEA, because 9 times out of 10 you can find something in IKEA for your home that's very budget friendly. So if y'all want to see how I decorated my guest bathroom, make sure you continue watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.